What do you think? Huh?
You have too much space.
Too much space?
Yes.
No? Check out the fire. Oh, thumbs down? Check out the firewall.
Still, thumbs down.
Thumbs down? Alright, well.
Okay, this.
Half and half? 50-50? 2 thumbs up?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm gonna go get ready for my game.
Alright. Alright, we're off to baseball. But I just want to throw this pan in here. See how it fits. Gotta pull it out, you know, grind down those welds. Clean up the firewall. Cut the rest of that heater channel out. Not sure if I'm gonna use these pans. I got these from one of my ovals, I think. Got a little rust and crust over there we gotta address later. But overall, super stoked to see a floor pan in here. It's progress, man. So thank you guys for all the comments, likes, and support. I can't say thank you enough because I've never done this before and I'm having a great time and I'm learning and I'm loving it. So thank you guys. I hope you have a great day. Take care.